Hey kids, welcome to lesson 5 in our bridge building project. This is going to take us to the end of our project, and this is going to be the largest part of our project as well. We have 2 big projects for you to undertake, and part of this includes a challenge as well for those really confident children amongst us. Let's take a look at where we're going to be going. The first one is going to be in Rayong, which is on the eastern seaboard, and there is an island called Samui. This island, by the local government, has said that they need your support to prototype what's going to be happening with connecting the island to the mainland. And there are 2 areas which you can utilize. One is from Rayong Dam here at Tinkercad, and you can go from here to here utilizing the ferry ports, or you can use this ferry port here at Samui Beach, going through to the main ferry port as well over here. Now these aren't long bridges. In your Firefly pages you will see the distances that I have measured in Google Maps. This one is 1.6 kilometers and the other one is 1.3 kilometers. What the local government want to do is they want to connect and use different modes of transport between the 2. This will include rail as well as cars. So not just cars, but also vans and trucks and all the cargo that goes between the two places as well. So you need to think about what kind of bridge you want to design. Are you going to choose main vehicles that we see on the roads, such as trucks, motorbikes, cars, or are you going to try and make a rail link? The government wants to think about both, and you can choose what kind of bridge it is that you want to link the 2 places up with. The second place is the local government of Samui. Here we have a challenge as well. The local government of Samui would ideally like to compete with China and the longest bridges in the world that they have there. This one here is 24 kilometers long. The waters here are reasonably shallow, and you can build supports and beams into the water here quite easily. So that means that you could build any of the bridges that we've learned about. However, in your STL file, if you're choosing this one, there aren't the islands available. The challenge in the second one does give you the islands. However, this one is for a train link. The local government want a train link from the mainland to the island. However, they understand as well that bridges for this type of cargo require truss bridges. You can't span this distance with a truss bridge. Instead, you need to go from the mainland and utilize the islands that have been given to you in a special STL file that is here. This is only for people who are really confident with Tinkercad. If you are that person, take this on. If you are just learning and feel just confident with Tinkercad, then you need to take on this model here. You will have this model. It will look like this, and you will have to zoom in and use bridges and the structures, the simple structures and the simple shapes, making it complicated, how we've learnt it over the last couple of weeks. This is an exact replica of the mainland and the island. As to here in Koh Samui, you can see that this one has the islands for the truss bridges, and this is how you're going to link up across the water. How you attack this is up to you. However, you will need to have support from the people who are doing the same bridges. So it's a good idea to team up with those people as well. Are you up to the challenge? I hope you are. Good luck.